Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a glowing moonlight landscape scene. Start with a night sky image as your base. Place a moon image and change blend mode to the screen. Now duplicate the moon layer and add blur for glow. Paint light rays using white soft brush. Set those rays to overlay for realistic shine. Add tree or mountain silhouette at the bottom. Apply gradient map for cool blue tones. Use curves to darken shadows slightly. Now add stars using noise and threshold techniques. Paint soft blue light around moon edges. Add fog effects using white brush at low opacity. Now adjust saturation for dreamy.